Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So today we're going to be working with these beautiful bells, beautiful chimes, and they have beautiful healing symbols engraved on them and inside them as well. And they come attuned to the sound of Om, or the healing frequency of Om, which helps you to open up your third eye and open up to all your spiritual gifts and the spiritual world inside of you and all around you. So today we're going to connect, we're all going to do it together. We're going to connect with the angels, and they're going to work through me to play these bells, and we're going to focus on receiving the healing energies that are going to be coming through. Healing power of sound, frequencies, vibrations. They really do work, and they really will help to bring you great healing and to open up that third eye of yours, your spiritual gifts center, and it'll help you to awaken to all that you are and the spirituality within you and around you. So just close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. And at this time, I'm going to call upon the angels to work through me and to help bring through the most divine, the most sacred, the most healing, the most heavenly sounds, frequencies, energies, to help bring you all the deepest possible healings. The angels ask me to ask all of you to relax and just trust and allow and know that the angels are here to help you and work with you and to bring you divine sound healing. Just trust and allow and receive. Opening up your heart, your mind, and your soul, your ears, every part of you, your spirit. Open up and receive the healing energies coming through. Unifying your spirit, your soul inside of the physical vessel that you're in. You are a powerful, eternal spiritual being inside of a temporary physical body. And you are bringing together that divine love into this physical body that you're in. You are combining all of that into what you are here now. Beautiful soul, beautiful spirit inside of a beautiful physical body. Connecting the two as one. Bringing the divine to this earthly world. You can, and you are, and you will. You come from the divine and you are here to be the divine presence of love and light on this planet. Listen to the sounds of the angels as they serenade you with beautiful, healing sounds from the divine, from heaven. Allow your spirit to soar. Allow your vibrations to rise. Listen and vibrate even higher. Trust in a divine guidance that's coming through that you will receive. It is safe to listen and to trust and to follow through on the divine guidance that you receive. Keep taking one step at a time, moving forward, being as completely balanced as you possibly can be. Beautiful, powerful being of light inside of your physical body. Allowing your mental body, allowing your emotional body to help you to come together as one, unified as that spirit inside of your body. You are one with Mother, Father, God. Mother, Father, God is one with you. You are here to be that presence, that beautiful, divine presence. You are God's ambassadors. Doing the work of the divine. And all of creation, all the beautiful, loving light beings, your spirit guides, your angels, Creator, your ancestors, the ascended masters, all of them, everyone, thanks you for being here and for all that you do. For them, for you, and for all. And they encourage you, and they ask you, and they thank you in advance for continuing to be the presence of love and light to your highest potential. Creator will continue to bless you all. Let us listen to that gratitude. And that final encouragement to keep moving forward. Keep up the good divine work. In balance. Grabbing all those beautiful energies, taking them in, slowly and lovingly coming back to this time and this place.